So first thing to do is to create a folder on your desktop. So you right click. I'm using Windows 11 Pro. So this can also work on Windows 11, 10 on 8. You can actually use it on 7, but I prefer you use the latest Windows. So you right click to get an option, then you navigate to new, then select folder to create a new folder. So I will name this folder web project. Web project. Then the next thing to do is to open my studio code. This is my studio code, my Visual Studio Code. So what needs to do is either I click on over here on the file option to open the folder, or I can easily, drag this one over here, then drag our web project folder that we just created inside our Visual Studio Code. So when we do that, we will notice that our Visual Studio Code has now loaded our web project folder. So the next thing we need to do is to go and download an extension. So you bring your mouse to this place, at this particular place, and click on it. So when it opens, you search for live servers. So you search for live server, then you click on it, you bring your mouse over here and click on install. Then it's gonna prompt this. You're gonna click on trust, publisher, and install. When you see this, disable and uninstall, that's when you know that it has been installed successfully. So we just have to close it and go back to our Explorer. You click on here to see your folder. This is the web project folder that we recently created. So all we have to do is just to bring our mouse over here. You will see new file. So we click on new file, then write index.html. So index.html is good. You can also write it in index.html. It's the same thing, but let's keep it simple. HTML. So over here, you can literally start writing your code, but like declaring your doc type and the rest. But we're not going to do that. We're going to hold our shift key and click on 1 for us to see our exclamation button. Then we click on enter to have our HTML structure. So let me zoom out so you can see the HTML structure. So I'll write my first code. So I'll do H1 and write hello world. Then for me to see this code, what will happen is, first of all, I need to open my browser. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on my Google Chrome, and when it opens, I'll go back to my Visual Studio Code and click on View. I'll go live. So I'll click on here. So when I click there, then we have our code displayed on our browser. So what I usually do is I usually come over here, select this one for the browser, and this for the Visual Studio Code. So whatever I'm writing here, will come over there. So when I Control S to save, it automatically brings out whatever thing we've written. So you can write as many HTML elements as you wish. So congratulations on writing your first code.